I'm Amelia. For years, I grappled with my health, battling obesity, insulin resistance, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and elevated cholesterol levels. These challenges left me feeling constantly fatigued, emotionally drained, and concerned about my future. Everything began to change when I discovered Unicity's Feel Great program. This approach combines two powerful supplements with time-based eating to support overall wellness. Unimate, a concentrated yerba mate drink that enhances mood, boosts energy, and supports mental clarity. Balance, a fiber-rich supplement designed to promote satiety, regulate blood sugar, and support healthy cholesterol levels. Together, these products made it easier for me to manage my appetite and energy levels throughout the day.
I invite you to embark on this transformative journey with me. Join the 90-day, 3-package course to take charge of your health and protect against modern lifestyle challenges. For more information and to get started, please visit the link in my bio.